Ride Radar is back with another in-depth car review, and today, we're diving into one of the most talked about luxury SUVs of 2026, the Volvo XC90. This SUV has always been a symbol of Scandinavian elegance, safety, and sophistication, and for 2026, Volvo has taken things to a whole new level. The XC90 has long been a favorite among families and luxury buyers for its comfort, technology, and minimalist design. But now, with an updated look, new tech features, and improved performance, Volvo aims to raise the bar once again. So, let's take a closer look at what makes the 2026 XC90 one of the most refined SUVs of the year and whether it lives up to the hype. Exterior. The first thing that catches your eye is the new exterior design. At the front, the 2026 XC90 immediately stands out with a bolder, more sculpted look. The updated grille features a wider chrome frame with the Volvo badge sitting proudly at the center. The headlights, shaped in Volvo's signature Thor's hammer design, have been sharpened and stretched, blending smoothly into the hood for a futuristic, high-tech appearance. Subtle details like the sleek daytime running lights and precisely cut air intakes give the SUV a commanding yet elegant presence. The lower bumper looks more aerodynamic and refined, contributing to a cleaner overall design that balances power and sophistication beautifully. It's not aggressive, it's quietly confident, the kind of design that speaks without shouting. From the side, the XC90's silhouette stays true to its roots but now looks even more aerodynamic and graceful. The sculpted body lines add a touch of muscle, while the slightly flared wheel arches hint at strength without overdoing it. Depending on the trim, buyers can choose between 19 to 22-inch alloy wheels, each designed to enhance both style and performance. Chrome accents on the window frames and roof rails add a luxurious shine, while the flush door handles on higher trims bring a modern, seamless touch. The roofline gently slopes toward the rear, giving the SUV a sportier stance while maintaining excellent cabin space. Every angle of the XC90 feels intentionally nothing flashy, just pure, timeless design. At the rear, the 2026 XC90 showcases Volvo's unmistakable design DNA. The vertical LED taillights have been slightly reworked for a sleeker look, now wrapping around the edges of the body for better visibility and a more premium appearance. The rear bumper is simple yet stylish, housing subtle dual exhaust outlets and a discreet diffuser element. The hands-free power tailgate adds practicality, making it easy to access the generous cargo space. Every detail at the back, from the rear glass curvature to the smooth body contours, feels clean, mature, and elegant, a perfect blend of functionality and sophistication. Stepping inside, the XC90's interior is where the magic truly happens. Volvo has created an environment that feels less like a car and more like a modern Scandinavian lounge. The moment you sit inside, you're greeted by premium materials, a soft Nappa leather, real wood inlays, and brushed metal accents that combine minimalism with luxury. The front seats are among the most comfortable in the segment, offering multiple adjustments, heating, cooling, and even massage functions. Volvo's attention to ergonomics is unmatched, ensuring long trips are as relaxing as possible. Interior. The digital instrument cluster is crisp and intuitive, allowing full customization of driving information. At the center, the large portrait-style touchscreen serves as the command hub for infotainment, navigation, and vehicle settings. Running Volvo's latest software based on Google's Android Automotive OS, it's faster, smoother, and more responsive than ever before. Voice commands work seamlessly, and the system integrates perfectly with Google Maps and Assistant. The sound system, especially the optional Bowers Wilkins setup, delivers concert-like clarity. In the second row, space is generous, offering excellent legroom and comfort even for taller passengers. The third row is more compact, ideal for children or shorter trips, but it's still more usable than many rivals in this class. Storage options are plenty, with smart compartments and USB-C ports for all passengers. Ambient lighting throughout the cabin creates a warm, inviting atmosphere, while the panoramic sunroof opens up the space with natural light, enhancing that feeling of serenity that Volvo interiors are known for. Under the hood, Volvo continues to focus on efficiency and performance. The 2026 XC90 comes with multiple powertrain options, starting with a turbocharged and supercharged inline-4 engine that delivers smooth, confident acceleration. For those looking for more eco-friendly performance, the Recharge plug-in hybrid model combines that same engine with a powerful electric motor and a larger battery pack, offering an impressive electric-only range for daily city commutes. The transition between gas and electric modes is seamless, giving drivers the best of both worlds: instant to work and refined power. On the road, the XC90 feels composed and solid. The adaptive suspension does an excellent job of soaking up bumps while maintaining agility in corners. Steering is light but precise, giving the driver a strong sense of control. All-wheel drive comes standard on higher trims, ensuring stability in various weather and terrain conditions. Volvo's driver assistance technology continues to be one of the best in the industry, featuring adaptive cruise control, pilot assist for semi-autonomous driving, lane-keeping aid, and a 360-degree camera system. Every feature works harmoniously to create a sense of confidence and calm behind the wheel. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 XC90 sits comfortably in the luxury SUV category. The base model starts around $60,000, which includes a long list of standard features, from premium interior materials to advanced safety systems. Moving up to the Inscription and Recharge plug-in hybrid trims brings more luxury and tech and pushes the price closer to $80,000. But considering the level of craftsmanship, technology, and safety, the XC90 still offers solid value compared to its German and American rivals. It's a vehicle that feels worth every dollar, not because it tries to be flashy, but because it feels so well thought out. In the end, the 2026 Volvo XC90 represents everything that makes Volvo special: a timeless design, innovative technology, and an unwavering commitment to safety. It's an SUV that doesn't scream for attention but effortlessly earns it. The exterior is bold yet graceful, the interior feels like a retreat from the outside world, and the performance delivers both strength and efficiency. Volvo has refined what was already an excellent SUV into something even more polished, intelligent, and future-ready. That wraps up our detailed look at the 2026 Volvo XC90 here on Ride Radar. What do you think? Is this the most elegant luxury SUV of 2026? Or does another contender take the crown? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want more reviews of the newest cars shaping the future of driving, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a Ride Radar upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.